Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hi, friends. It's so nice to talk with you again today.
Today, we talk about Christmas.
Yes, Christmas lights, Christmas markets, Christmas food, and funny Christmas problems.
So relax, maybe drink something warm, and enjoy this Christmas chat with us.
Slow English, easy English, happy English.
Let's start with decorations at home.
Ah, yes, Christmas decorations, my favorite part.
In my living room, I have a small Christmas tree.
Me too, a small tree with many lights and small red balls.
I put a star on the top of the tree.
I put an angel on the top, but sometimes it falls.
I have a Christmas tree at home.
I have a Christmas tree at home too.
What colors do you like for Christmas?
I like red and gold. They feel very warm.
I like white and blue, like snow and winter sky.
I have red lights at home and a gold ribbon on the tree.
And outside, in the street, many lights too.
Yes, houses and shops, all with lights.
When I walk at night, I see yellow, red, blue lights everywhere.
It feels like the street is saying, Happy Christmas.
Now, Christmas markets.
Oh, I love Christmas markets.
Many small wooden houses, small shops, hot drinks, happy people.
It smells like cookies, chocolate, and something sweet in the air.
I like to walk slowly in the market, look at the lights, listen to music.
I like to drink hot chocolate and try small snacks. I go to the Christmas market every year.
I go to the Christmas market with my friends. Do you buy gifts there?
Yes, I buy small gifts like candles or warm socks.
Warm socks are a good gift. Very practical.
I buy Christmas gifts at the market, and I also buy something sweet for myself.
Sometimes I just look. I don't buy. I just enjoy the feeling.
I like to walk and look at the lights and listen to people talk.
Now, Christmas food.
Oh yes, now I'm hungry.
At Christmas, I like to bake cookies.
I also bake cookies, sugar cookies, chocolate cookies.
I bake Christmas cookies at home.
I bake Christmas cookies with my family. And for Christmas dinner, what do you eat?
Sometimes I eat roast chicken, potatoes, and vegetables.
We eat meat, salad, and sometimes soup.
I cook Christmas dinner with my family.
I cook Christmas dinner and we sit together a long time.
Do your cookies always look perfect?
No, never.
Mine too. Sometimes they are too hard, like small stones.
Sometimes I forget the timer and the cookies are very brown. Very, very brown.
Sometimes I burn my cookies.
I burn my cookies too, and then I open all the windows.
Another funny problem, Christmas lights.
Oh yes, the famous light problem.
You take the lights from the box and they are like a big knot, all tangled.
You look at them and say, why are you like this?
My Christmas lights are always tangled.
My Christmas lights are always tangled too, every year.
What about gifts? Do you ever lose a gift?
Oh yes, sometimes I hide a gift and I forget where it is.
Then after Christmas, you find it and say, oh, surprise for me.
Sometimes I lose a Christmas gift at home and find it in January.
Now, Christmas and pets.
This is always funny.
My friend's cat loves the Christmas tree.
Does the cat climb the tree?
Yes, she climbs the tree and plays with the balls.
I can see it. Balls on the floor, cat very happy.
My cat plays with the Christmas tree.
My dog sleeps under the Christmas tree.
What about Coco, your dog?
Coco loves Christmas food. She sits in the kitchen and waits.
She says, one cookie for you, one cookie for me.
Yes, she looks at me with big eyes.
Please. My dog waits for Christmas food, and I try not to give too much.
I play with my pet at Christmas, and we sit near the tree.
Winter walks now.
Yes, Christmas and winter, very good together.
I like to walk in the evening when the lights are on.
I like to walk when it snows. Soft snow, slow snow.
I go for a walk in the snow.
I walk in the city and look at the lights.
Sometimes it's very cold. My hands say, where are the gloves?
Nose is red, ears are cold, but the lights are beautiful.
Let's talk about our Christmas day.
Yes, a little story.
In the morning, I wake up, maybe a little late.
In the morning, I wake up and stay in bed a few minutes, just happy.
I go to the kitchen, make coffee, maybe hot chocolate.
I make tea and I eat a small cookie, or two.
In the evening, I turn on the Christmas lights and play soft music.
In the evening, I sit on the sofa, my dog next to me, and I feel calm.
Maybe you think my English is very small.
But with small English, you just talked about Christmas.
About trees, lights, markets, food, pets, and snow.
All with simple sentences, simple words.
You don't need big words.
You need real words for real life.
Imagine your next Christmas.
You tell a friend, I have a Christmas tree at home.
You say, I go to the Christmas market.
You say, I bake cookies, sometimes I burn them.
You talk about your pet. My cat plays with the decorations.
And you both laugh. In English.
When you listen again, just relax.
Let the words come slowly, like snow.
No pressure, no stress.
This is your cozy English time.
Thank you for spending Christmas time with us.
We are very proud of you, really.
You listened, you imagined, you learned.
Your English is like a small light. Every day it grows.
Keep listening, keep speaking, even small Christmas sentences.
Your daily life and your holidays are good English practice.
This was Everyday English Chats, Christmas edition.
See you next time and have a warm, calm, happy Christmas.